Nito. One strike pitch to Hao-Yu Lee. 1 for 4 yesterday with a double and a walk. And he will take fastball there from Davenport. Takes it a ball and a strike. Aaron Davenport. He's ready. The righty delivers. That was a 21 out of the University of Hawaii. Pitch outside.
Correa, he is from Hawaii.
Yep. Swing and a foul back. And the pitch is swung on and missed. And Lee goes down on strike. Good fastball up high. As Hao-Yu Lee will take a swing and a miss. Yeah, it is. I mean, you've been around Toledo long enough. I mean, this is a very good sports town. They do really support the Mud Hens, as we see, and they really support the Walleye as well.
It's incredible. It's a great fan base.
Lee will take outside to make it 1-1. The 1-1 is lifted high in the air, foul back and out of play. It's hard to believe this ballpark here is in great shape. They do such a good job of keeping it up. Pitch is off the plate to make it build, adding all kinds of different party areas. And a swing and a miss. Davenport starting to get locked in, Tom. Tim Herron is starting to loosen up in the Columbus bullpen. Swing. And a drive in the air to center field. Racing in and making the grab is Petey Halpin. Mud Hens still looking for their first hit of the night, and we're in the bottom of the 6th inning.
On another night, those all could be base hits because they're hit well enough.
And it's amazing how it goes, right? Each and every night, such a different thing. Pitch will be off the plate outside. And the pitch from Mushinski is going to be there for a strike. Scranton 4-3. That's in the 8th inning. Pitch is in for a strike. Earlier today, Syracuse lost at Rochester 14-3. Mud Hens head to Rochester next week. Take on the Red Wings. Pitch outside. Pitch coming out from Mark Mushinski is out.
Put a good swing on it.
And the pitch to him, swung on and missed. Well, he surprised you. Went curveball.